Hey, what is up YouTube? Lando Tech here, and in this video, I'll show you how to display your Google Photos as a screensaver on your Google TV. To start, click the back button on your remote until it brings you to the screensaver. Press the down arrow on the remote. Then, move over to Google Photos and click on it. Type in your Google account password. Then, click Enter. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a PIN. You'll be required to enter this PIN whenever you go back into the Google Photos settings on your Google TV. While you're thinking of a PIN to create, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more Google TV tips. After you've created your PIN, if you get this error message, it's most likely because even though you have photos in your Google Photos, you don't have an album created yet. To create an album, grab your laptop and navigate to the photos.google.com website. Next, click the Albums tab on the left-hand side. Then, click Create Album. Give the album a title. Then, click Add Photos. Place a check mark in each of the photos you'd like to add to the album. Then, click Done. Now, go back on your Google TV and click Try Again. Select the album whose photos you want to use for your screensaver. Then, click Confirm. Under Channels, ensure Google Photos is selected. Now, if you click the back arrow a couple times, you'll see that your Google Photos are now being displayed as the screensaver. Now, if you press the down button and go into Settings, you'll notice that you can do things like change the type of units that you'd like your temperature measured in, or you can hide it altogether. You can also show and hide the time. And of course, you can change the slideshow speed so that pictures can change as fast as every 5 seconds or as slow as every 10 minutes. And yes, I know this is a very limited way of interacting with your Google Photos, but if you click on this video right here, I'll show you how to install the official Google Photos app on your Google TV so you can get the full experience from it.